This video will walk you through the process of downloading Power Teacher Gradebook onto your home computer. Initially, you're going to need to go to Power School. Once you get to Power School, copy the URL like so. I'm going to hit Control-C, or I can hit copy like that. Once I have that address, I'm going to email it to myself so that I can access the email once I get home. I'll paste the link here, and I'm going to send it. Now that I have the link, and we're going to pretend that I'm now on my home computer, I'm going to open up the link thusly, and I am going to sign in to Power Teacher. Once I'm in Power Teacher, I'm going to look down the left-hand side. You will see it says PTG 2.8. What I want to do now is I want to hit Installer. There are 8 steps involved in installing Power Teacher Gradebook. Follow each step individually on your home computer or laptop, and you will be able to enter grades in the comfort of your own home. Please let me know if you have any issues. Thank you.